Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, and today we're going to check out dental calculus. Specifically, what is the difference between dental calculus and plaque? While you watch a few clips, consider picking up these teeth whitening pens. They do an amazing job. And I'll put a link below. So, what is the difference between dental calculus and plaque? According to the American Academy of Periodontology, plaque is the sticky, colorless film that constantly forms on your teeth. Bacteria live in plaque and secrete acids that cause tooth decay and irritate gum tissue. This irritation causes an inflammatory reaction by your body that can eventually lead to gingivitis and periodontal disease. Plaque is not removed regularly by toothbrushing and flossing. It hardens to create calculus, which is also known as tartar. Calculus cannot be removed with a toothbrush. Only a dental professional can remove it during an oral cleaning. To keep plaque and calculus under control, it's essential to brush your teeth twice a day, floss at least once a day, and see your dental professional for regular cleanings. Well, there you go. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to floss. And we'll see you next time. Hey folks, if you want to whiten your teeth but want something convenient, gentle, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg, then check out these whitening pens. They make a perfect gift. We'll put an Amazon link in the description below.